Somewhere in the dark, infinite reaches of space, there exists a window to the universe, a window through which we can peer into the unknown. For over 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has been that window, revealing to us the beauty, the mystery, and the vastness of the cosmos. In the quiet darkness of space, Hubble's instruments have captured the light of distant stars, the birth of new worlds, and the death of ancient ones. Its lens has shown us distant galaxies in their prime and black holes, ancient and mysterious, swallowing all light in their paths. Through Hubble, humanity has not just looked outward, but inward, discovering not just the secrets of the universe, but the very nature of time, space, and existence itself. But as this chapter of our cosmic story nears its end, we must ask, what lies beyond its mission? What will become of the questions it has raised, the knowledge it has provided, and the light it has brought to the darkest corners of space? The year was 1990, a time when the limits of human vision were about to be broken. After years of planning, building, and anticipation, the Hubble Space Telescope was launched into orbit aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery. The journey was a historic one, not just for the telescope itself, but for the entire field of astronomy. Positioned far above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble was freed from the constraints that limited ground-based telescopes, the atmospheric interference that blurred the view of distant stars and galaxies. In the vacuum of space, it could see farther and clearer than ever before. But it was not only Hubble's location that made it revolutionary. It was its ability to capture images across multiple wavelengths of light: visible, infrared, and ultraviolet, allowing astronomers to uncover a broader and deeper understanding of the universe, from the nebulae, where stars are born, to the remote edges of space, where galaxies are colliding. Hubble was, in essence, our first cosmic eye, taking humanity's gaze beyond our world and into the far reaches of the universe. It revealed the universe's secrets in stunning clarity, and for the first time, we could see the stars, galaxies, and nebulae with the eyes of science, not just imagination. What followed was nothing short of a revolution. Over the course of its mission, Hubble's discoveries would change the very course of astronomy and cosmology. Hubble's observations of distant galaxies led to the most accurate measurement of the universe's expansion rate. With this data, scientists were able to refine the age of the universe, settling a long-standing debate about how old our cosmos truly is. But that was just the beginning. Hubble helped uncover the mystery of dark energy, an invisible force that causes the accelerated expansion of the universe. Without Hubble's data, the concept of dark energy might have remained a theoretical notion for much longer. The telescope's gaze across the heavens revealed not just galaxies, but also the intricate processes of star formation, the violent collapse of stars into black holes, and the secrets of dying stars, such as the stunning images of planetary nebulae, where dying stars shed their outer layers. One of its most profound discoveries was its observations of supermassive black holes, cosmic monsters lurking in the centers of galaxies. Through its powerful lens, Hubble helped unravel their mysterious roles in galaxy formation and evolution, showing us how these enigmatic objects are intertwined with the very fabric of the universe. The Hubble Deep Field, an image taken by the telescope of a seemingly empty patch of sky, showed thousands of galaxies, some formed over 13 billion years ago, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. It was a snapshot of time itself, one of the most profound images in the history of space exploration. But Hubble's influence goes beyond the data it has provided. It has ignited the human spirit, inspiring countless individuals, from budding scientists to lay people, with its breathtaking images. These pictures have made the unknown tangible, showing us the vast beauty of the cosmos and our place within it. But all things must come to an end. The mission that began with such fanfare and promise is now entering its twilight years. Though Hubble has far outlived its original lifespan, its instruments are beginning to show signs of wear. The last servicing mission to the telescope occurred in 2009, and since then, the telescope has continued its observations, but without the ability to repair or upgrade its aging systems. New technology, wear and tear, and the unforgiving environment of space have made it increasingly difficult to ensure Hubble's longevity. Yet, as its time in orbit draws to a close, the question arises: what will happen when Hubble finally ceases to function? It is not just a matter of technology, it is a matter of perspective. Hubble has shaped the way we understand the universe for generations. What will we do without its watchful eye? What lies beyond the horizon of its mission? In the face of this inevitable loss, a new chapter in space exploration is beginning to unfold. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, set to launch in the coming years. Webb is not a replacement for Hubble, but rather a natural successor, one that will build on its legacy and take our understanding of the cosmos even further. While Hubble's legacy was defined by its ability to observe the universe in visible and ultraviolet light, Webb's powerful instruments will focus on the infrared spectrum, allowing it to see through cosmic dust and peer even further back in time, closer to the beginning of the universe itself. Webb will explore the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang, the birthplaces of stars, and even search for signs of life in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. With its advanced technology, Webb will have the capability to observe not only the distant universe, but also the nearer cosmos. Its ability to study star-forming regions, the birth of new planetary systems, and the dynamics of black holes will expand our understanding of cosmic processes. Just as Hubble has shaped our view of the universe, Webb will offer a deeper and more detailed vision, one that will open new doors to discoveries we've only dreamed of. But Hubble's legacy is far more than the telescope itself. The data it has collected over the years, billions of gigabytes of information, is a treasure trove that will continue to be studied and analyzed for years to come. Scientists around the world will continue to work with Hubble's findings, applying them to new research and evolving theories. Hubble has given us the most detailed maps of the universe, from the structure of galaxies to the behavior of supernovae. Its observations are now the cornerstone of our understanding of the cosmos, and they will continue to guide new generations of scientists and space explorers. In fact, many of the discoveries we make in the coming decades will only be possible because of the foundation Hubble laid. Its images and data will continue to illuminate the unknown, opening new avenues of research long after its operational life ends. Hubble's impact extends far beyond the scientific community. Its images have captured the public's imagination, sparking a sense of wonder, curiosity, and inspiration. The telescope has allowed us to gaze into the deep unknown and ask questions that reach into the very fabric of existence. What is our place in the universe? How did we get here? What is the future of humanity in this vast and ever-expanding cosmos? Hubble's photographs are more than just scientific instruments. They are a reminder of our capacity for discovery and exploration. They are our windows to the stars, and they invite us to dream of possibilities beyond what we know. For millions, Hubble represents the human spirit of curiosity, the quest to understand the universe, and the deep desire to connect with something larger than ourselves. It reminds us that, no matter how small we may feel in the vastness of space, we are capable of incredible things. The end of Hubble's mission is not the end of the story. It is simply a new beginning, a new phase in our journey of exploration. The universe, vast and mysterious, is still waiting for us to understand its deepest secrets. With Webb and future missions, we will continue to reach for the stars, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and redefining our place in the cosmos. And yet, as we move forward, we will always look back. We will remember the telescope that first opened our eyes to the infinite beauty of the universe, the one that allowed us to dream, to discover, and to reach out to the stars. Hubble's light may one day fade, but its legacy will continue to guide us, like the stars in the night sky, forever shining in the distance, ever reminding us of what we can achieve when we dare to look up and wonder what lies beyond.